Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing great. So we got a beautiful day here in New Orleans. Well, it says it's beautiful. It's supposed to rain a little bit later, but hopefully we can get past all that. It's gonna be a great day. We got a couple of things going on this morning. Got my brother-in-law here in his truck. We are going to put on the new wheels in the car today, man. I'm so excited. I've been waiting on these for probably about a month now. So we're gonna head over to the dealership, drop them off, have them put those on. So let's check out what we got going on. Man, so here they are. They've been sitting in the living room for, well, not too bad. Just about 3 or 4 days now. So we're going to load these puppies up, get them down there. We got our new 6GRs. All right, so luckily my brother-in-law was nice enough to bring over his truck because, yeah, we're not going to be able to fit him in there. You guys have seen the size of the boxes. So we're going to go ahead and load him up into his truck real quick. There we are, loaded up. Let's head to forward. Let's go. What? So, anyway, so I got the Project 6GRs, the 10 spoke rims. Something a little bit different. I had 7 spokes on my last car. I thought about going with 7 spokes again. Everybody does 5 spokes, and in my opinion, I don't want to be like everybody else. I want to do something different. So decided to go with the 10 spokes, and they look amazing. I can't wait to see them on the car. I love going over this little bridge. Oh, this car is going to get me in so much trouble. Oh, it's going to be worth it, though. Heading to the service department. All right, guys, so we just got the Ford. We're dropping the car off. My boy Steven's going to take care of her. So let's get one last look at her with these rims. Don't get me wrong, I love these rims. I love the way they look. But the new one's going to look so good. So let's check it out. And I know the car is dirty. Leave me alone. All right, so we're gonna load up the new rims here now. And I'm totally not doing any help. All right, so we're leaving her here and we're heading out. All right, Babo. I'll see you in about an hour with your new look. Can't wait. We just picked up the car. Ford had the car for about 8 hours. Granted, they didn't start till about 2 hours, but there's a problem with the TPS sensor, and then they actually came in the wrong boxes. The 11.5s were in the 11 box, and vice versa. So when he put the rim, the rear tire, on what should have been 11.5, obviously it didn't fit correctly. He noticed it, thank God. Switched them, so that took more time because I had to pull the tire back off. And then, oh man, then I made a boo-boo, but that's fine. So let's go ahead and look at the car. Let me show you. They look fantastic. Now, granted, the car is dirty. I apologize. I'm running behind schedule. I have a meeting to go to tonight, so I didn't really get a chance to wash it. But man, look at those. They look absolutely amazing. And man, it looks so good. I really like the way the 10 spokes came out. I think they look phenomenal. They kind of come out a little bit on the back, a little bit, but not much at all. But it adds a little girth to the vehicle. But they look so good. I'm loving the way they are looking. Now, as you can see, the center hubs are plain, right? There's nothing on there, right? So I could have put the Ford logo ones that came with the car, or could have also put these on, which we did. Because I was like, yeah, you know what? I'll put the 6GR on it. If I don't like it, I can change them. So when I get home, they're all gone, except one. And I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. What the heck? Well, hello, 6GR. They were all sitting on the hubs. I guess I didn't think to check. The back of it's adhesive, so you have to stick them on. So they all flew off the car on the way home from the dealership, except one. So I'm gonna put it on there to show you guys what it looks like. So, okay, so there's the vehicle without it. Looks pretty good. And now, there it is with it on. I kind of like it with it on there. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I think they look good either way. But I really do like the 6GR. I think it adds a little bit flavor to it. So this is going to be a short video because it is freaking hot out here. I am literally dying. It's hot. The rims look phenomenal in the car. I'm so excited. I think I did a good job picking them out. Hey, not this Thursday, I had to reschedule. Next Thursday, the car's going in for ceramic coat, PPF film. So the rims are getting coated. I'm really excited about that. And, oh man, well, check out the other side. Not that it's any difference, but just so you can see what the other side looks like, and the sun is in my eyes. Guys, we got some more mods on the way. So again, I want to thank all you guys. I appreciate all your support, all the great comments, the great feedback. I really hope you guys like this video. Please smash the like button and also subscribe. I've got some really great content coming. So let me know in the comments below what mods you want and if I should put the 6GR center hubs on or leave them naked. So let me know what you guys think. Hope y'all have a great day. I'm out. Peace.